What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. Man, this one is from UmuigboUnite. Yes, UmuigboUnite in the US. You know, Igbo is one of the most beautiful culture, or should I say tribe, in Nigeria that is highly respected globally. There is nowhere you go to in the world and you not see an Igbo man there. I'm not saying this because we promote Igbo on this channel, but I'm saying this as a fact that this is what it represents. And it's summer. Everybody know it's summer globally, and everybody, Igbos all around the world, are actually celebrating that too. And this one is coming from UmuigboUnite and from the US particularly, and they're actually celebrating the beautiful culture of Igbo land. And I'm bringing you some beautiful, amazing performance from that particular event. Phyno performed there, and the rest of other actors you can imagine. A lot is here to impact. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section. See you guys on our next video.
Ojo My coconut, that's my babe. My coconut, there goes my babe. We two connect, that's my babe. My full current, there goes my babe. My coconut, that's my babe. My coconut, there goes my babe.